Welcome back to another Dollar Tree haul. I went to a town an hour away yesterday to go to a Kmart Supercenter because I took all of ours away. And right next to that Kmart, because they were having a 60% off sale, right next to that Kmart was a big Dollar Tree. So I had to go in. Now this is mostly beauty items. I did get a big flower pot. I'll insert a picture of that now. And I love how Dollar Tree has really stepped up their game. That looks way more than $1. I cannot wait to get me some flowers to put in that this coming spring and summer. And I grabbed just one of these little sewing kits. I needed to sew a pair of Connor's little pants, and well, I couldn't find my needles. So I needed one of these sewing kits. I found everything else but my little container of needles. So yeah, I picked up these really cute jot magnets. I did try to pick up stuff that I couldn't find in our 2-3 local Dollar Trees here, and I think I did pretty good. I'm pretty happy with what I found, but they just had like butterflies, flowers, love. Well, I love magnets, so I grabbed those up. I found this shower curtain, which I really like that print, and I want to use this as a background. I think this is going to be good for spring, or even now, so I'm excited to try that as a background. I did pick up a cosmetic kind of case. Hadn't seen these at my local Dollar Trees. It's like an embossed, etched in, cute, whimsical-y kind of design. This is a mint color. The camera lighting changed just then. Has like, it's almost like a little wristlet, but I'm going to use it for a, well, it says clutch with strap. They also have this in a peach color, but I'm going to use this as a makeup bag in my purse. I like the color. I wanted it. I got 2 candles that I hadn't seen yet, and it's Mermaid Dreams. It's called Pink Sands. These are 3 ounces, and even the jar has some iridescence to it, even though I know it's not going to pick it up on the camera. It smells so good. And then I also got Unicorn Magic, and this is sugared marshmallow, and I love how this one smells too. They both smell so good. Packaging is so adorable. Now moving into the beauty aisle, I hadn't found this dry shampoo. I'd found the other dry shampoo that they used to have, but not the scented ones. And this is Blossom, 2.2 ounces. And I will probably more than likely be doing a full Dollar Tree review on this product, so stay tuned. That's mainly one of the reasons why I picked it up. Some stuff that's usually always in the stores is the LA Colors polishes, and I picked up number 406. This is Hot Blooded. Not sure if I have this one already, but I thought this would look very beautiful on my toes, so I grabbed it anyways. And if I do, I can pass it along. It's just $1. This one, yeah, I definitely do not have, but this is 112, and it's a metallic shade, and it's called Fortune. And I remember passing this one up in my local Dollar Trees, but it just spoke to me yesterday. I just wanted it, so I grabbed that. LA Colors has a brow tint, and I wanted to try this. This is the only one they had, and the only shade is a dark brown. Luckily, I do have dark hair, so maybe I can pull it off, and I'm excited to try this. I have a few new LA Colors products to review for you guys, so makes me really excited. I found this. I'd never seen this in Dollar Tree. This is 3.5 ounces Pond's Pure Detox. This is a facial foam with activated carbon charcoal. I don't know. I thought that was a pretty neat find for $1 though. Has a flip top on there. And yeah, Pond's, you guys, is a Dollar Tree. It's not the first time we've seen name brands there though. And then I hadn't found any new BOLERO products in a while, especially the coconut and sea salt one and the fresh lavender and citrus. So when I saw 2 full displays of these products there, I had to get in on it. So I got 2 paper masks. I got the coconut oil and sea salt. There's one in there. And I also got the French lavender and citrus. Decided to try those. I did pick up some wipes. Not that I need it anymore, but every time I find Bolero, I can't help but to get like 2 packages of every scent that they have. But they're really good wipes. So I got 2 of the fresh lavender and citrus. Love the packaging on these. 2 of the coconut oil and sea salt. Now, I've said it before, I'm not a shelf clearer. I didn't even really need these, but I just wanted to try the new scents. So I'll grab those. I'm always using wipes. And then I got the Bolero moisturizing body polish. And this is the coconut oil and sea salt. I thought that I'd like the coconut one best over the lavender. I like lavender, but I really love coconut. So this is 6.5 fluid ounces. It's paraben free, color free, and it's just some kind of scrub or something like that. And you apply a generous amount on wet skin, massage 1 to 2 minutes, rinse with warm water, and reveal silky smoother skin with each use. I don't know, I actually thought this was a thick cream or something. I don't know why, but it's not. It's a like shower scrub. Still excited to try it. And last Bolero product I got is the Bolero facial scrub. And they also had a body cream there and some hand creams and stuff and the oils. I just find that in the past when I bought the oil, I didn't really use it. And I know that I have so many other creams and stuff that I'm more prone to use here already. So I passed on that stuff. But the facial scrub I was pretty intrigued by. And I did get it in coconut oil and sea salt. Once again, I like coconut better than the lavender. And it's 3.5 ounces, paraben free, color free. You can actually see the little exfoliants in there. And I am definitely excited to try this product. My skin's been so dry lately. So let's test it out. So yeah, that's all I got at the Dollar Tree. Really quick little haul. Oh, well, not shown. We got some circus peanuts. And we got a little 4-pack of Oreos. Yes, but that's all. That's all for the Dollar Tree haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It was a surprise Dollar Tree haul. I typically do 1 a month. Like the video, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell if you haven't already. Thank you guys always for watching, and stay tuned for more Dollar Tree videos, Dollar Tree reviews, and check the description box for additional Dollar Tree links.